Setting up a presentation camera is a critical part of Reactiv SUITE experience. This menu will allow you to pick a camera source. All the USB cameras plugged into your computer should be here. Next, you have the option of selecting a resolution. You can just stick with the default resolution or change it for higher quality image. Next, name your camera so you can easily identify it. You can set up different cameras with different angles and perspectives. This allows you to quickly choose the camera view depending on the type of meeting. Reactiv SUITE also allows you to mask the shape of the camera and add custom branding and your name so your audience will remember you. Here is an important tip to look good on camera. The mirror button allows your on-screen image to follow your movements. Make sure that you appear like you would when you see yourself in a mirror. Finally, you can add an image that is shown when you mute your camera.